Namaste. Welcome to the world of Marigold book class 4th. We are going to go through the book exercise of this part 2 unit 1 Neha's alarm clock. Neha's alarm clock. You have already studied the question answers and MCQs of Neha's alarm clock in the previous video. Hope you all understood the chapter and the question answers in a nice manner. Now, moving further, let's discuss the book exercise of part 2 unit 1 Neha's alarm clock. Neha's alarm clock. Page number 10. Reading is fun. Tick the correct answer. Question number 1. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? A. 4 o'clock. B. 9 o'clock. C. 6 o'clock. And the correct answer is C. 6 o'clock. What did the birds say? A. Sleep on. B. Wake up. C. Go and play. And the correct answer is B. Wake up. What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? A. Our body clock. B. Our eyes. C. Our feet. And the correct answer is A. Our body clock. Next question. Put the letters in the right order. One has been done for you. I-L-E-S-M. The correct order for it is smile. S-M-I-L-E. N-O-R-M-I-G. And the correct order for it is morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Next, M-R-A-L-A. The correct order for it is alarm. E-D-O-R-N-S. Its correct order is S-N-O-R-E-D, snowed. O-C-K-L-C means clock. W-O-D-W-I-N, window. Next, let's listen and talk. Page number 11. Question number 2. If there is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? Will you continue to sleep or? Our body system is so framed that we can do all the works without a watch. There is a God-made clock inside us, which tells us when to wake up and perform all the jobs. It is we who have developed a habit to use an artificial man-made watch. In ancient time, our ancestors did not have any watch, but they performed all the daily routine works better than us. So we can easily wake up in the morning without an artificial clock. With the help of a clock inside us, the bright and warm sunlight, and the chirping of birds, we would not continue to sleep. Yes, we would not continue to sleep. Next question. Question number 3. What are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? Answer. The following are the different ways of knowing the time during the day. First, wristwatch, wall clock, alarm clock. Next, Electronic gadgets like radio, mobile phones, televisions, computers, laptops, etc. And third, with the help of the intensity as well as the brightness of sunlight. Yes, with the help of it too. Now say aloud. On page number 12. Let's start it. Ought. O-U-G-H-T, ought. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. Next, matter. M-A-T-T-E-R, matter. Chatter. C-H-A-T-T-E-R, chatter. S-H-A-T-T-E-R, shatter. Shatter. Next, tick tock. Tell, told. Train, time. Tic tac. Tip tin. Take tall. Now, let's write on page number 13. Question number 1. Who said these words and to whom? Wake up, dear. Wake up fast. Answer. Chirpy birds to Neha. It is said by the chirpy birds to Neha. Next. Ma, who woke me up today? Answer. Neha to her mother. It is asked by Neha to her mother. Next. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? It is said by Neha's mother to Neha. It is said by Neha's mother to Neha. Next. Page number 13, question number 2. Use the help box to fill in the blanks. In the help box, you are given 2 words, was and were. The sentences with the help of these words are: A. Ram was a good football player. B. The cows were grazing in the field. C. The toys were broken. D. Her frock was too long. E. The market was closed. F. The children were happy. And last, G. The flowers were kept in a vase. Page number 13, question number 3. Look at the pictures below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words: pulled out, inside, called out, behind, under. The paragraph completed using these words is: yesterday I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. I looked behind a door. I looked inside a cupboard. I looked under a bed. I could not find it anywhere. Then I called out Shiro. Shiro, my dog, came running to me. I asked him to look for my book. He pulled out another book from my bag. He pulled out another book from my bag. Now, page number 15, question 1. Here is a word clock. Write down words related to it. Sound, tick tock. Another word, watch. Picture, the students have to draw the picture of the clock themselves. Watch in your language, it is called ghadi and ghanta in our language, Hindi. Name of different parts. Machine, frame, hands. There are 3 hands. Second hand, minute hand and hour hand. Dial and glass. Name different times. Ante-meridian, AM. Post-meridian, PM. At noon and at night. Make a sentence. My clock always shows correct time. Now, page number 15, question number 2. Here is a word morning. Now, write some words related to it. In the morning, we wake up. Next, we wish our parents and elders. Next, we get ready to go to school. We take breakfast. If it is a holy day, then we go to the park to play. Then we go to the park and play. So, in the morning, we wake up. We wish our parents and elders. We get ready to go to school. We take breakfast. And if it is a holy day, we go to play in the park. The exercises are over. Thank you.
Now, my littles, these are the answers of the MCQs given in video number 824. Neha's alarm clock. Question number 1. Who was the first to pull Neha out of bed? Answer is A. Clock. Question number 2. Who was the second to pull Neha out of bed? Answer C. Birds. Question number 3. Who was the third to pull Neha out of bed? Answer B. The sun. Question number 4. Who was the fourth to pull Neha out of bed? D. Mother. Her mother. Question number 5. Who was the fifth to pull Neha out of bed? B. Neha herself. Neha herself. Now question number 6. What time did Neha's alarm always ring? Answer is C. 6 o'clock in the morning. Question number 7. Neha covered her ears with? Yes, come on, tell. Pillow. C answer. Question number 8. Who is called Sleepyhead in the story? Question number 8. Again I am asking you the question. Who is called Sleepyhead in the story? Answer is B. Neha. Question number 9. Who called Neha Sleepyhead in the story? Who called Neha Sleepyhead in the story? Neha's mother. Neha's mother. Now the next question. Question number 10. Which time did Neha take her lunch every day? Yes, C. 1 p.m. Question number 11. What is inside us? What is inside us which tells us when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up? B. Brain. Question number 12. By which vehicle did Neha go to school? By which vehicle did Neha go to school? Answer is B. Bus. Okay, my littles, the chapter is over. Thank you.